Hello everybody, boys and girls, childrens of all ages. Eli the Barber coming right at you. As you can see, I made a boo-boo. I made a mistake, but that's okay because this video is about self-edging and it was not part of the program. But I will show you guys how to fix something like this. And it's nothing advanced. Here we go. So as you can see, I'm just created a guideline with the trimmer, the babyless trimmers. All right, I'm still stressing that little spot right there, but it's all right, it happens. Now I'm gonna blade it, and as you can see, I'm going up and down with the blade, no pressure at all. Do not go side to side with the blade or you will slash yourself. So always keep it nice and lean, okay? Use a very thick solution. I like to use tea tree oil or aloe vera solution to avoid irritation on the skin, etc., etc. It doesn't look so bad. It's still gonna look better anyway because I'm about to enhance it. Like I said, do not put lots of pressure on the blade. All right, just let the blade do its own work. As you can see, I'm enhancing it. All right, trying to fix it right there. There you go, boom, 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 boom. And doing a little touch up with the blade one more time. Usually when I blade the enhance, what I do is I spray alcohol on the blade. If anybody out there has a better idea, throw it in the comment and I'll be very happy to take it, because that's what I like about this barber game. You never stop learning. It's like numbers, never finish. So you always growing and growing and growing. So there it is. I just did the enhancement, and I corrected the enhancement with the barber blade after spraying alcohol on the blade itself. All right. What am I doing right now? Maybe. Thank you all for your support. Eli the Barber coming right at you. Subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Thank you.